This morning I'm making some pretty mini flower tarts, perfect for Mother's Day this weekend. I'm going to make a quick sweet short crust pastry base and a light cream cheese filling, plus I'll be using lemon curd and preserves too. First we're going to make the pastry in a mixer. I'm going to add 175 grams of plain flour into the bowl, 100 grams of chilled unsalted butter, I'm using West Gold, plus 25 grams of icing sugar. And we'll just pulse this for a few moments. So it's just mixed together now to form sort of breadcrumbs. I'm going to add in 1 egg yolk and about a tablespoon of water. And we're going to roll this out onto a lightly floured bench top. Look at that, very easy. Even though I do buy the frozen pastry, sometimes it is easy to make your own. That's rolled out nice and thin. Got my cutter, got my pan here. I've sprayed with oil every other hole so that when we put them in, the petals won't overlap. When you push them in, just do it quite gently. You don't want to stretch the pastry either side. And then you kind of flatten and overlay the pastry like that, so it just sits like this. I'm going to prick the bottom and the sides with a fork, and then once I've filled every other hole, they pop into the fridge and chill for an hour, ready to bake then for about 12 minutes till they're golden brown. These flower shapes here have cooked until just lightly golden. They're cooling on a rack, and we're going to make a light cream cheese filling now, so let's get on to that. In a bowl of my mixer, I'm going to add some cream cheese, some butter, and very simple, cream those together. That's nice and smooth. Into the bowl, just lift this out the way. We're going to add in some icing sugar, a bit straight in, and just a little bit of vanilla essence. First thing I'm going to do for decorating with my little flower cases I've got here is I'm going to lightly dust them with icing sugar. If you do this before you put the filling in, it just means that the filling itself stays nice and clear and vibrant. Just like this, nice and easy. And I can shake off all the excess icing sugar back into my bowl afterwards. I'm going to take a spoonful of the cream cheese frosting I've got here, and then a little bit of whichever jam or preserve you like, just to cover it. Here are my finished mini flower tarts, perfect for Mother's Day.